DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. You see me and say, I'm in the lab, what go on, people? Yeah, man, crazy reaction and crazy what? Crazy bangers pound head tap, man. You don't know. And this time, nothing not change. You see me and say, well, hopefully nothing will change because we haven't watched it. But this one is being requested a lot by the Dan Mafia members. You see me and say, first of all, Nicholas Edwards, big up yourself. Who else? That's pretty much, yeah. That's pretty much it. Nicholas Edwards, big up at himself. You see me? He's been requested this shit a lot. He's like, yo, request to raw cash. Pretty girls like states. You see me? I say, just drop on them thing there. But yeah, he's been requested a lot. So we're going to check it out, see what dog I deal with. You see me? I say, And Nicholas Edwards, you see me? You've been part of the Mafia for a minute. So you should know banger song, you know. So if this not banger, you know, and you're requesting a dog, you have to come down in a dog. Oh, you see me? I say, but anyway, gang. Yeah, we're there back with Mr. States himself. Yeah, Mr. himself. Mr. Extradite himself. You see me? We're there with none other than Raw Cash. What the name? PGLS. Pretty girls like states. You see me? I say. And this is the official audio visualizer. Check it out on Sway Dog. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You see me? I say. But before that, gang, remember, road to 10K. Hit the like and subscribe button. 300 away from 7, 3K away from 10. You already know, trying to hit before the end of the year. But yeah, man, gang. Raw Cash back with another one. The one named Pretty Girl Like States. And I swear I go with this, you know. I swear I go this. This kind of with the same thing what Daddy one did. I say 6, no girl, no one. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. Yeah, I always give you a group, or, you know, when they make a song like this, a group always get more solidified, especially amongst the ladies. You see me? I say? But anyway, we'll jump right in the track. Raw Cash, PGLS, Pretty Girl Like States. Let's get it, gang.
Brain Freeze Records. Your time outside stays mad for true. So right now, man, I have to get someone from the States Mad crew.
Oh shit, that go on?
The old jelly, you know, and the beast to my skin.
State. Jelly and blood clean. Easy.
So tell them spread the word. Pretty girl like States.
A statesman she want in her role. If them boy then I say statesman she no roll. A 220 pan it all. Pretty girl like States, you nah fi go home. Me love a girl we suck off cock and moan. Worse when she go spit and frat and foam. Bring it a jelly and fish secret load.
Okay, alright. Okay, I see what the dog trying to do. You see me, I see what the dog trying to do on this one. But I think Raw Cash wanna hear you spit now, bro. We hear you singing a lot now, bro. You know, but
when your pussy a dead, you try no code. Your pussy so tight, me write love a letter. God bless your pussy in America. The right, you give the sin a pleasure. Big clock in your
pussy time, right? Love a letter. Wait, what? You're the right a love letter. You're right, a letter to love. What on there? What on me here the one that kid? Raw Cash, what you doing? Hey, dog, say, what one? Bring it a jelly and fish secret load. You when the pussy a dead, you try no code.
Your pussy so tight, me write love a letter. God bless your
pussy so tight, me write love a letter. I know she write the letter, brother.
Pussy in America. The right, you give the sin a pleasure. Big clock in your jaw, say that you prefer. Close friend, you post a fuck, I do this a girl, yeah. You love my body up and tell you suck your mother. Can't stay mad with your fuck up on the villa. A toxic love, boy, your love is sinner. A statesman she want in her role. If them boy then I say statesman she no roll. A 220 pan it all. Pretty girl like States you nah fi go home. Me love pretty girl like States you nah fi go. Mama you nah fi go nowhere. I want to man easy yourself like Nova Scotia. You're safe with us. Come here. If a girl we suck off cock and moan. Worse when she go spit and frat and foam. Bring it a jelly and fishy sick.
Worse when she go spit and fart and fruit. Wait, what? Wait, Raw Cash. Cash, what? Wait, you got
Pan it all, pretty girl like States, you nah fi go home. Me love a girl we suck off cock and moan. Worse when she go spit and frat and foam.
Oh, spit and frat and foam, but still, bro. But still, bro, like, yo, still, nigga, yeah. To a certain extent. You see me? That can, alright, go on.
Alien fishy secret load. You where the pussy you dead, you try no code. I state you want you not lie. Whenever you call me on line. A cyber crime she like die. Lucky pussy make it giant fan. Fear who are all you pussy satire. Pretty
What the? How if she gonna hear this? I know who you attack. You know, I say, yo, mama. Fear who? Oh, yeah, mama, say, mama, how are you going?
Lucky pussy make it giant fan. Fear who are all you pussy satire. Pretty face you full up with timeline. She no like freak, no Jaden or slime. The scam for real, man, I
She don't like freak, no Jaden or slime. What? That's why Jaden caught a stray boy. Take Jaden from TikTok. Hey boy, go appetite.
As this
How the fuck you hear that one?
pretty face you full up with timeline. She no like freak, no Jaden or slime. The scam for real, man, I lie. A statesman she want in a role. If them boy then a say statesman she no roll. A 220 pan it all. Pretty girl like states you nah fi go home. Me love a girl with suck off cock and moan.
If you not say state, she not roll me nigga.
She go spit and frat and foam. Bring it a jelly and fishy secret load. You when the pussy you dead, you try no code. Pretty girl like states, you know. So bust pan her, you know. Bring it a jelly and flip a load. Yeah, she like that. States make her pussy wet, you know. States
Come in, hey.
man, she said, I believe 15 I chop. Dive it. Ooh, States. Nah.
Alright, one. Lord clean.
Bumbleclad. A statesman she want in her role. If them boy they say statesman she not roll. A 220 pan it all. Pretty girl like states you not fi go home. Me love a girl with suck off cock and moan. Worse when she go spit and frat and foam. Bring it a jelly.
Easy now, man. Hey, Cashh, what going for a side beat, dog? Eh? Yeah, I go 60 seconds to go. You see me? 30 seconds. Lows and
Pretty
skirt.
girl like states. All the time, man, she like that.
And then don't beat dog, man, I try. Alright, go on with the outro, me G.
Believe. Some boy that do bang in the road, you know. You see me? States make her pussy wet, you know.
But yeah, Mr. Cashh, he dog been saying he's trying to get on the sing vibes, trying to get his melody and shit, which is cool, bro. But we want to hear a spit sometime, G. And every time we want to hear that singy thing, though, you see me I say? I don't care here, say I grow, you kind of grow, because at the beginning kind of shown a little bit the shaking of the vocals, but you caught it back, you see me I say, me G. But yeah, man, it's time for you to start spit now, Cashh. You see me I say? The singing thing is cool. Yeah, but 1 year spit now, my nigga. You see me? Clip this and send it to you that 1 year spit. You can't just you gotta talk about if I singing, you want to forget about the spitting part. You see me? About the rapping, the DJing part. You need to do that part too. You see me? Yeah, man. Maybe at that part, the people are weird pan. You actually get the busted nigga. You need to, yeah. So yeah, man. Big up Cashh, PGLS, Pretty Girl Like State. You already know what time it is, gang. Let me know what you want in the comment section. If you like it, definitely go show the artists all over and support. Make you know say yeah, the dad said, you know. Yeah, man. And let me know, let's get and drop a fear part in the comment section. Let's get a dialogue going. Let's talk about it, gang. You see me? Also, yeah, road to 10K, gang. 300 away from 7, 3K away from 10. So on road to 10K, trying to hit that before the end of the year. Trying to hit before New Year's, before birthday, all that good stuff. But yeah, man, gang. Yeah, try to hit that before you be a great present. So hit the like and subscribe. I mean, hit the comments. Keep active like you guys been doing. I appreciate y'all. Y'all been active in the comments. Y'all been active with the likes. Active with the shares. All that good stuff. You can get a little better and growing, but yeah, I believe in y'all. I appreciate y'all. So you don't know. Yeah, man. I appreciate y'all always rocking with your boy. Tuning in with your boy. You see me? Yeah, man. I always show support, man. I link up. You see me? Especially the real ones. So shout out to all y'all. I appreciate y'all. We're going to hit 10K before the end of the year, man. Next year we hitting 50K. We not playing. You see me? We're going hard. You see me, gang? But yeah, man, gang, till next time. You don't know your boy Jambisco was here and I hit and smash and a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Most important part, each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.